Hey yo, what's going on, bro? How y'all doing out there? I'm chilling, you know what I'm saying? Fucking 9:22 on a Friday. What am I gonna do tonight? I don't know. I gotta figure it out. I'm trying to do something. But anyway, though, Blunts Edition. You know what I mean? Trying to do a little mixtape called the Blunts Edition. About to promote this whole shit by my goddamn self. It's all good though. I'm looking for a team. You know what I'm saying? Like a team trying to help me brand the product. Like I know I'm not gonna have no niggas from Massachusetts on my team because niggas in Massachusetts with no real talent can smack me in their fucking face. I swear to God, B. It is what it is though. You know what I mean? I'm still gonna do me. I'm gonna make all y'all niggas real mad when someone else picks me up. That nigga's gonna pick me up. I'm gonna crush all you niggas. Y'all niggas is inferiors to me. Matter of fact, my nigga Slick Rick would say, Slick Rick said, y'all niggas is poor peasants of trash. Y'all niggas is fucking lames out here, B. Fucking Wackachusetts, nigga. Get out of here, nigga. I don't wanna hear that, man. Niggas be forcing it, man. Niggas trying to front on me like I ain't nice, nigga. Get the fuck out of here, B. I'm nice, nigga. Don't get it twisted, nigga. I'm nice, nigga. You hear me? I don't give a fuck what none of you niggas talk, nigga. Say what you want to talk. You know you niggas ain't fucking with me on the rap shit, right? True talk, right? Anybody who takes this personal, I'm talking to you. I don't give a fuck. I ain't talking to nobody, but I'm talking to Weber. You hear me? These niggas is bitches out here. Word of my mother.